Hi everyone, this video is a presentation of my story of how I started earning an online income and the challenges I faced as a newbie. It all started in 2017. The economy was tough, inflation was up, the country was in recession, and there's a picture of me in 2017 feeling unfulfilled and hard pressed. So I got thinking, what am I going to do? But as an employee back then, I was still thinking as an employee, and I said perhaps the situation would get better, things would get improved. But I was wrong, okay? Things got worse. And here's a picture of what was going on at the time. Like I said, the country was in a recession, economic recession, and the exchange rate to the dollar was on the rise, okay? Inflation rate was also on the rise. Cost of food commodities, cost of transportation, electricity was up. And that was not all. Government was not helping matters. The worst part of it all, value-added tax was increased by 50%, okay, in the face of an economic recession. So converting into dollars, as at 2019, 2 years on into this situation, my salary was 50% less in its value than it was 4 years ago, converted to dollars. So in essence, I was poorer than I was 4 years ago, dollar for dollar. It was at that time that was like a wake-up call for me, and I began my search for legit online paid jobs. I needed another source of income, and I started my search. I began to look online, okay, and the first job I landed was a job of an audio transcriptionist. I got paid per audio hour. Jobs were not frequent, and at that time I was doing manual transcription, and so it took a lot of time. Bottom line, there was almost no effect on my overall financial status. Second job, freelance transcriptionist and data entry. Signed up on a couple of sites, but I was almost getting no jobs, okay, because most offers had a geographic bias. Even after I set up my gigs, put up my bids, they usually requested that a transcriptionist and data entry as a specialist be from one of the big 5 English-speaking countries. So if I was not from the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or the UK, I wasn't the preferred selection. So weeks upon weeks, waiting for jobs, putting up bids, I finally got an offer, but it had a condition. They said for me to secure the job, I needed to pay up front. Got me thinking, oh, if I'm the one doing the job, I'm supposed to be the one getting paid, so it looks like a fraud. Why do I have to pay to secure a job for which I'm supposed to be paid for? So end of the story, 3 months on, I got no jobs. Couldn't continue my paid subscription to bid for more jobs. So the question, why didn't I use a VPN and a fake address, or at least an overseas address? But at the time, I didn't want to use a VPN. I wanted legit jobs I could do from my location. And besides, the free VPNs couldn't be trusted, and my tight budgets could not support a paid subscription for a VPN at the time. So what next? I diversified my search, okay? I started looking for affiliate marketing and network marketing opportunities, and I saw a lot of them. Saw a lot of opportunities, okay? But then the problem, which ones were the right ones? Which ones were the right fit for me? Which ones are genuine? Which ones work in my country? Which ones can get me earning commissions in the quickest possible time? So these were the challenges I faced when I saw these opportunities, okay? So I decided checking out the ones that didn't require paid signups or subscriptions, but with good earning potential, okay? And good news! After weeks of research, I found some legit ones. I signed up on the ones that supported payment in my country, but it wasn't long after that I ran into another problem. I wasn't getting enough signups. Signups I bought occasionally. I did not succeed with high ticket sales. So if I was going to succeed, I had to learn the ropes of digital marketing. I had to up my game. So I decided to get some training. I started by searching on Google, Bing, Facebook, YouTube. I started searching and looking for more information. I bumped up on a couple of sites introducing their paid modules, paid training modules, and I attended some free webinars of those who had made it, those who had succeeded in making 6 figures, 7 figures in online earnings, and many of them offered paid coaching. But I continued my search, tried to see if I could get information on my own, but I just kept seeing repeated content, especially on YouTube. A lot of ads introducing paid courses with upsells. The videos and the information I was getting were too elementary and introductory, and wasn't getting enough information from my Google searches, or maybe I was just not patient enough. Besides, I didn't know what to search for specifically, so I decided to take my chance with paid courses. I tried a few that offered 30-day money back guarantee, but you know what happened? I got suspended indefinitely from Google Ads. You know what these paid training courses were teaching were how to drive traffic to your affiliate page or to your website or to your promoted offer. And they were teaching paid traffic. Most of them were teaching about Google Ads, for the obvious reason that Google is the #1 search engine. But it didn't work for me, and I requested a refund. Okay? The trainings did not yield the expected results. The courses were outdated or had outdated concepts. Others were barely useful without the upsell offer. Buy the course for $10, $13, and without the upsell, it's almost as if you bought nothing. So you need to buy the upsell for it to be useful for you. Some were just done for you scripts that were no longer yielding results. So with my acquired knowledge and common sense, I finally realized how online businesses were built. Know what I realized? Online businesses are not so much different from offline businesses. Building any legit business requires time and commitment. It also requires focus, and is sustained by building and maintaining the right relationships with each customer, client, partner, or team. Don't get me wrong, I know a lot of people that were crushing it within days or weeks, earning thousands of dollars from scratch. But without applying the aforementioned business principles, there will always be a decline. And such declines usually result from competition, saturation, outdated methods, software, or poor business management. So, if you want to make money online, if you want to earn a stable income online, you got to do it the right way. Because the right way wins. It's what's going to get you to your expected results. You know what Phil Crosby said? It's always better to do the job right the first time. And I totally agree with that. So if you are a complete newbie or are still struggling to succeed in your online business, you can leverage on my experiences for a head start. I won't be selling you anything after this presentation. That's not the goal. The goal is to help you. The goal is to network with people who share my point of view, who felt what I felt back then. So you can network or team with me for free. So what's the catch if you network with me? Why do you need to network with me? Will there be upsells? No. Will I be selling your privacy info? No. Will I be spamming you emails until you buy from me? Of course not. Will there be a sign-up fee, subscription, or obligation to upgrade? No. So what's the catch? There must be some kind of benefit. Yes, there's a benefit. You know what that benefit is? It's mutual benefit. You win, I win. I know that if I help you succeed, I'll be succeeding too. How would I be succeeding? feeling of fulfillment. When I know I'm helping people prosper, I'll be fulfilled within. I'll be networking with like-minded people with whom I can grow meaningful business relationships both in the present and in the near future. Your network is your net worth. Same goes for me and everybody else. I may also be earning referral commissions for some links that you may click on at no additional cost to you. So if any of these sounds like a good fit for you or your business, or if you are a network marketer wanting more leads, please check the description below. I'll be leaving some links. I'll be leaving a summary of the things that I've said. And check the links. Use what is useful for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it. Click the like button. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And there will be a follow-up video to this. I wanted to keep this one short and concise, so you may want to stay notified. Click the subscribe button. So until I see you in the next video, stay tuned and win strong.